Welcome! In today's video, you will learn how to create toggle switch.
First, select the circle shape and adjust its size as needed. Change the circle's color to white. Next, right-click on the circle and choose Frame Selection. Now, right-click on the frame and select Add Auto Layout. Add padding to the frame for better spacing. Then, apply a gray tone to the frame background. This helps the white circle stand out visually. Change the corner radius of the circle to 100 pixels to make it perfectly round. Now, increase the width of the frame, roughly double, so that the circle can easily move when in the active state. Add a subtle shadow to the circle to give it depth. You can also add a light outline to the toggle switch for extra definition. Once done, select the frame and click the Create Component button on the right-hand panel. Then click Add Variant, which is just below it. For the second variant, change the background color and set the alignment to right. Let's move on to prototyping. Select the first frame, drag the arrow to the second frame, and set the interaction to Smart Animate. Now, do the same from the second frame back to the first. Create a new frame and place the main toggle component inside it. Select the outer frame, click on the Prototype tab at the top right, and you're done. Your interactive toggle switch is now ready. If you click on it, the animation should work smoothly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design tips.